Hi viewers, welcome back Learning with Aishwarya channel. In this video, we can completely discuss with the universe and solar system. In this subject, we know must formation of the universe, differentiate between the member of the solar system and motion of the earth and effect, different spheres of the earth and this interaction with each others. Now we'll go to the lesson. First, we discuss about this picture. First, my universe. Second circle is called my galaxy. Third circle is called my solar system. Fourth circle is called my earth. Fifth circle is called my country. Seventh circle is called my state. Eighth is called my district. Ninth is called my place and street and home. Do you know what will picture told? Now we'll discuss about the teacher and student. Numerous stars and celestial bodies come into existence by the massive explosion called as Big Bang. We know numerous stars and celestial bodies, it's nothing but it's referred as planets and natural satellites, dwarf asteroids, all of all call as celestial bodies. These celestial bodies together is called universe. The universe is also called cosmos. The study of the universe is called cosmology. Cosmos, this word derived from the Greek word universe. Universe is nothing but its vast expanse of space. Most astronomers believe that the universe came into existence after the Big Bang explosion that took place about 15 billion years ago. That consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, astronauts, meteoroids, and natural satellites. Now we'll discuss about galaxy. Galaxy, it's nothing but galaxy is such clusters of stars which are held together in gravitational force. Most of galaxies are seen scattered in the space, but some also see group. The Milky Way galaxy is formed about 5 million years after the Big Bang explosion. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. Andromeda galaxy is the nearest to the Earth, apart from the Magellanic Clouds. These two galaxies are also placed nearby the Earth, seen nearby the Earth. First placed by Andromeda galaxy. Second placed was Magellanic Cloud. Now we discuss about the solar system. Solar system, that word derived from the Roman word, that meaning is sun god. Solar system is believed that they formed by 4.5 billion years ago. Solar system is a gravitational bond system is comprises of sun, the 8 planet, dwarf planets, satellites, comets, asteroids and meteoroids. Now we can discuss about the sun. Sun is placed as center of the solar system, and sun family's members also rotate around the sun. It moves like 99.8% It made up extremely odd gases like hydrogen and helium. The sun is a star. So the sun is the big star. The surface temperature of the sun is 6000 degrees Celsius. That is enough for sun. Next we will move the planets. 1.3 billion Earth can fit inside the sun. Imagine how big the sun is. Planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are 8 planets is available. All planets are rotate anticlockwise except Venus and Uranus. The four planet nearer to the sun are called inner and terrestrial planet. That planets name is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The inner planets are comparatively small in size and it is composed of rock. The surface of inner planets as mountains, volcanoes or craters. The last 4 planets are called as outer planets of Jovian planets, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They are also called as gaseous giant. We know the mnemonical for remember the planet. My very educated mother just shown us Neptune. That refers as my very, M for Mars, V for Venus, M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, N for Neptune. Mercury is the first smallest planet. There is no gas and water and also no natural satellites. Mercury can be viewed in morning and evening with the naked eye. It was placed in the sun after first. Satellites are is in planet. Planets are is in solar system. Solar system or is in galaxy. Galaxy or is in universe. That is a hierarchy of universe. Next go to the second planet of Venus. Venus is name meaning of Romans god of woman. It is called as Earth twin because as it is almost the same size of Earth. It has the longest rotation period, that is 243 days. So this planet is very hard compared to Mercury. The Romans god habit is love and beauty. It is often visible in the morning and the evening and so it is frequently called as morning star and evening star. Presence of land, air and water. The polar diameter is of Now we'll go to Earth. Earth is our planet. It is placed in third place. It is the 5th largest planet. There is no specific Roman god name. The Earth is only solar system god named after the Greek and Roman deity. Planets now to support life. In presence of land, air and water, the polar diameter of Earth is 12,714 kilometers. The equatorial diameter is 12,756 kilometers. It rotates the sun at the speed of about 30 kilometers per second. The only natural sunlight of the Earth is moon. We must know the distance between the sun and the Earth is about 15 million kilometers. A flight Mars is the fourth planet from the distance between the sun and the Earth is about 150 million kilometers. A flight flying at the speed of 800 kilometers per hour, it can reach the sun. It takes to 21 days or 21 years. Mars is known as a red planet. Mars is the god of war. It appears in red color. It has a thin atmosphere. It has also polar ice cap like Earth. On 24th September 2014, Mangalyaan launched by the India Space Research Organization. So India got a fourth place of other research center. Mars has two natural satellites. That name is Phobos and Deimos. Next, go to the Jupiter. Jupiter is also Roman's god of king. This has largest solar planet in solar system. It is the farthest spinning planet in solar system. It's called gas giant planet. Atmosphere made up of hydrogen and helium. Largest number of natural satellites have. Example of Io, Europa, Gameda and Callisto. Next, move to Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. Second largest planet is Saturn. This gravity power is very less, so it's due to floating the water also. Saturn has 62 natural satellites around Titan. Titan is the first biggest natural satellite. Next, move to the Uranus. Uranus is a greeny planet. Uranus is a word derived from the Greek god of sky. It fully made up of methane gas. It have 27 natural satellites. First biggest natural satellite is Titania. Next, move to the Neptune. Neptune is coldest planet. That scene is blue and white. It is named after the Roman god of sea. Neptune have 14 natural satellites. First largest satellite is Triton. The planets at the galaxy. Sun is placed at the center. Mercury placed in first. Second Venus. Third Earth. Fourth Mars. Fifth Jupiter. Sixth Saturn. Seventh Uranus. Eighth Neptune. Biggest planet is first of Jupiter. Second is Saturn. Third is Uranus. Fourth is Neptune. Fifth is Earth. Mars also fifth. First smallest planet is Mercury. Second smallest planet is Mars. Dwarf planets are called smallest celestial bodies. These are 5 planets: Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Makemake, and Haumea. It's extremely cold and dark, so we cannot see visible in light. Next, we can discuss about Moon. We know Earth have only one natural satellite. The satellites are celestial objects. We must know it revolves around the Earth once every 21 days and 8 hours. It takes same time for it complete one rotation of its axis. It has no atmosphere. Distance between the Earth and Moon is 3,84,400 km. The size of the Moon is 1/4 of the Earth. Humans have landed places one and only, that is a Moon. Asteroids are small solid objects move around the Sun. These are also called minor planets or planetoids. Mars and Jupiter's between places is seen as Mars and Jupiter between places. Chandrayaan is first launched to Moon mission the year of 2008. Comets have a head and tail. Head made up of solid ice, tail made up of gas. The Halley comet is most famous comet, which comes close to the Earth every 76 years. It appeared in 1986 last. Will appear in 2061. Meteors and meteoroids. It is nothing but stones or metallic bodies. This also come with normal. Due to Earth atmosphere, it was burned. So it known as shooting star. Meteors striking the Earth surface are called meteoroids. Motion of the Earth. We know Earth have a 2 pole, North Pole, South Pole, and axis. It is a reason of to move morning to afternoon to night. One day movement is 24 hours. One day rotation. Earth's one time rotation is 24 hours. That is known as one day. So will appearance of morning, afternoon, and night. It rotates on its axis. Imaginary lines run from the North Pole of the South Pole, passing through the center of the Earth. Angle of 23 of degree. It makes angle of 66 of degree with this plan of Earth orbits. Rotation. We must know rotation. All planets are except Venus and Uranus all rotate around the Sun is anti-clockwise. So Earth taken a one rotation for 23 hours 56 minutes and 49 seconds. The rotation of Earth is caused day and night. We all know that is. So can I move to other topic? Revolution is a movement of Earth around the Sun, elliptical path. Complete one revolution, 365 and quarter days to complete the one revolution. It around the Sun at the speed of 30 km per second. It also rotation of Earth. Earth have 6 months are divided by in 12 months. That is known as 21 March and 21 March to 23 September. 23 September to 21 March. So in this particular period, Sun closed in this particular 6 months, the moon is around the sun. That one side is seen sunlight and another side is in dark light. So this is the reason of summer and winter, autumn. That's a climate change or weather change. Now we can move the spheres of the earth. Earth over 4 spheres. First is lithosphere and hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. Lithosphere is nothing but it made up of rock and soil. This lithos is a Greek word. Hydrosphere is nothing but with this water. It's made up of ocean, sea, river, lake. It is also a Greek word. It is a Greek word. Atmosphere is meaning air. Earth have nitrogen, oxygen and other gases. Nitrogen is 78% and oxygen is 21%. Biosphere. When a planet and animals live with a biosphere, because biosphere consists of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. So all animals and plants all live in earth. Just read and recall. The summary was to help and read and recall this subject. This is a glossary. It is a glossary meaning is after seen. The universe was formed 15 billion years after the Big Bang explosion. Many galaxies are found in the universe. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. As the sun is so hot that this account for 99.8%. All planets rotate anticlockwise on other axes except Venus and Uranus. As stars are found in the belt between the Mars and Jupiter, the rotation of the Earth causes night. The revolution of Earth is called season. Summer solstice of the largest day in northern hemisphere. The presence of land, water and air along the suitable climate makes life possible on Earth. Galaxy, the cluster of asteroids, irregular shaped rock between Mars and Jupiter. Meteors, space particle left behind by comets or asteroids. Comets, frozen lumps of rock just as a gas. Satellite, celestial bodies to move around the planet. Orbit, the path in which the planet moves around the sun. Earth's, an imaginary line passing through the center of the earth from the North Pole to South Pole. Rotation, spinning movement of the planet is the axis. Revolution, the movement of planet around the sun is their orbit. Equinox, the day of which day and night are equal length. Solstice, the occurrence of when the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn face the sun vertically. Rover, a space exploration vehicle which moves across the surface of the celestial body. Orbiters, a spacecraft which orbits a celestial body without landing on its surface. That is the end of the class. Thank you.